Good morning students. Today I will go with the 8th class maths. Students, today I will start exercise 12.3. 12.3 exercise. In this exercise we will use three identities that are, first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sometimes this term is written in between a square and b square, so it doesn't matter. Like it can also be written a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square, then minus will be here, not here, 2ab. Also it can be written a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two are same. Sometimes in many question 2ab term is written in between the two terms, so that it doesn't matter. It means these are same terms. Third identity is a square minus b square is equal to, first factor is a plus b, then another one is a minus b. So बच्चे, here right hand side we can make it equal to the left hand side. आप ये वाली साइड अगर गिवन है तो डायरेक्ट ये भी लिख सकते हो, अगर ये साइड गिवन है तो एक्सपेंड करके ये वाली साइड लिख सकते हो. इट डजेंट मैटर. We have to make factors by using these three identities. So here exercise 12.3, first question is 25a square plus 10a plus 1. So here in between 2a term is there. It is a square, then this will be 2ab and this one is b square. So here all terms are in positive sign, so we will use first identity. So 25 is the square of 5, so we can write it as 5 square, a square. Then last term we can write here to make it easy, because most of the student use this identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So many used 2ab in between, so I am here writing in second position. So 5 square a square, then 1 can be written 1 square plus 2ab term, 2 multiply 5a into 1. It will make 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 10a. Answer will come same. So it can be also expand like this. So 5a square we can write 5a whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 5a into 1. So it is same identity as first one. So here in place of a it is written 5a and in place of b it is written 1. So it is 5a plus 1 whole square. Means we will use a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Here we will make right hand side equal to the left hand side. So we can leave it here, or also we will write it 2 times. 5a plus 1, so 5a plus 1. These type of questions will also come in 9th class also. So that's why I started this chapter. Then second question is a square minus 4ab plus 4b square. So this one will be first term, then 2ab term will be this. It is written in middle, so we will make it easier. A square, 4b square we will write here, in the last we will write 4ab, or either you can use as it is also. So a square, 4 is the square of 2, so we will write 2b whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a into 2b. Now here negative sign is there, so we will use a second identity, that is a minus b whole square. So a minus 2b whole square, we will write it 2 times. 2a a minus 2b into a minus 2b. This is the answer. Now next question is 25x square minus 81y square. So 25 is the square of 5. So we can write here 5 square x square. 81 is the square of 9. 9 square y square. So 5x whole square, 9y whole square. Here we will use third identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will write first factor in positive position, then next one with negative sign. So this is the answer. So all the questions are same. You will have to try by yourself by taking help from this assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.